everyone, so today we're going to be showing you how to resync or repair your Samsung Icon X wireless earbuds. Now, the reason this is necessary is that sometimes you might think that they're broken because one earbud is not pairing with the other. So if you take both out of the case, you put them in your ears, one is not connecting and the other one is, so you only get music out of one ear. And the reason this happens is because you can set one of them as the master earbud, and so that's going to be the one that you use most. So if you're left-handed or right-handed, whichever ear you're going to use most, you want that set as your master earbud, and the other one can disconnect from that master earbud. And so that we're going to show you a really simple way to reconnect them so that you can get back to listening to music in both of your ears. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is connect your earbuds to your computer. Today we're going to be using a Mac. You're going to want to go into your settings in your computer and go to the Icon X. So they will actually show up with your hard drives just on the left here. If you're on a Windows computer, when you plug them in, they should actually automatically pop up a little notification, say that they're either installing driver software or something along those lines. But if you're not seeing that show up, you can also just go into your system and go to your computer and then look for the Icon XL and the Icon XR. So they actually each have their own storage. And once you're in the tools folder, you just want to go ahead and go to, if you're on a Mac, the Gear Icon X, and then it ends with the DMG. That means a program file for a Mac. If you're on Windows, you want to go to the .exe file. You just want to double click on that. In this case, we've already actually installed this application on the computer, so we'll go ahead and go over to our applications. But basically, when you open this up, you would just double click on this install or follow the steps, and it'll install the application to your applications folder. If you're on a Windows, it's going to be a very similar process. You would just go to your applications. It should show up in a recently added app if you go to your start menu in the left corner. Here, what we're going to go ahead and do is just go to applications and then go to Gear Icon X Manager. That's going to have the same name on a Windows computer. Double click on that. It's going to say connecting your device, and it could take up to a couple minutes for it to actually show up on there. Okay, and once it finally recognizes your device here, it is actually going to give you a software update option, and so you can go ahead and update that software real quick. It's pretty simple and straightforward. You just connect the earbuds, download and install that software off the earbuds onto your computer, the Gear Icon X Manager. You plug them in and it'll tell you if you have a software update available. Once the update's complete, it'll allow you to add music onto your earbuds. You have 4 gigabytes of storage on either earbud, so you can add quite a few songs to each one. Okay, and once your software has downloaded and installed on your earbuds, it's going to prompt you to just disconnect the earbuds. All right, now that we've updated the software on those, we've disconnected the earbuds and we've reconnected them to the computer, and they're connecting back to the Icon X Manager. So once the update process is complete, it's pretty simple to just go ahead and go into your program here. If you're on a Microsoft computer, there's actually going to be a little button up here that you would click to follow this process. On an Apple computer, you're actually going to want to go up to your left-hand corner, just up here, and click on the Gear Icon X Manager tab, go to Device Settings, or simply Sync Earbuds. And so what you want to do is go into the device settings first. So once you've hit device settings and gone into the main device options, it'll give you left or right options. So if you find yourself using the right earbud more, you want to go ahead and select the right earbud. If you find yourself using the left one more, go ahead and select the left earbud. In this case, we'll just keep it on the right, and then you click that confirm button, and it'll change the main device. It could take up to a minute here. Once that's complete, just syncing your earbuds, selecting the main device, you're gonna have to disconnect and reconnect your earbuds back to your computer. Now that we're back into this main menu, you simply just wanna go up into the Gear Icon X Manager tab again, go ahead and click Sync Earbuds. In our case, it brings up a little message saying these earbuds are already synced. You can just click OK if you're seeing that message. If it says something else like syncing earbuds in progress, that sort of thing, you're going to want to go ahead and just let it do its thing, and then you're going to have to disconnect the earbuds and potentially reconnect them at the end to get them to show up in the software again. But that is just the simple way to sync your earbuds again. If you're still having issues with only one side working, feel free to leave us a comment in the comment section below, or get in contact with us via our website or phone number, which are in the description below. We can definitely help you out further if you're having issues with them, or potentially just get your Gear Icon X earbuds repaired. We do offer other repair services as well, so if you're having any troubles with any other electronics, feel free to get in contact with us and we'll do our best to help you out. But for now, thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day.